Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be doing a tips and tricks video on this 2017 Chevy Silverado half-ton 1500 Z71 four-wheel drive pickup. Sounds good. We put a 6-inch rough country lift kit on it, some 20x9 Moto Metal 962 wheels with a 0mm offset and a chrome finish, and some 35x1250 R20 Atturo XT tires. Now, if you want more information on these tires and wheels, click the tire and wheel matchup video and we will give you the details. With that being said, tips and tricks on this rough country 6-inch lift. It is a knuckle lift, so all that you're doing is you're replacing the knuckle. You're not messing with your upper control arms, and your lower control arms are just getting lowered with a drop bracket. With that being said, there's a couple of tips with this lift. When you drop your differential, you'll have to shave down some of the fins on the differential. I would pretty highly recommend having a angle grinder to grind those down. Also, you're gonna have to cut your rear cross member. Make sure you cut both sides and you go to scale on the pieces of paper. If your differential is having an issue lining up, check those cuts and make sure you actually made the cuts where they're supposed to be. If you make them too small, then your differential will give you lots of trouble going in. The third tip, make sure that your steering rack bolt, so you'll be able to see it when you take it off. You have to drop your steering rack. Make sure that 10mm bolt is back in it before you drive your truck off. And besides that, those are about all the tips and tricks. There is a CV shaft extension block. Sometimes they give you a little bit of trouble. Go ahead and put 2 bolts in them, tap around it, and then start to thread it. Oftentimes, you can't get it to start threading because the block hasn't actually seated in there. So go ahead and get that block seated in to the differential with the CV shaft and then tighten them. The rear is just the block in the rear. There are no tips to that. Just don't drop the rear and you'll be good to go. So if you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.